Hey there! Ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Today, we're diving into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Solana, XRP, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and USD Coin. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these digital assets and how they're shaping the future of finance. Let's get started. What's up, everyone? Today, we're delving into the world of cryptocurrencies, focusing on the top 10 by market capitalization. No complicated jargon, just straightforward explanations. Let's jump in. Part 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Let's start with Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold and is used as a store of value and a medium of exchange. Its scarcity and decentralization are key factors contributing to its value. Part 2. Ethereum, ETH. Next up, we have Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a digital currency, but also a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether, is used to power transactions and execute smart contracts on the Ethereum network. It's a key player in the growing world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Part 3. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. BNB was initially created as a utility token for discounted trading fees on the Binance platform. However, it has since evolved to power various applications within the Binance ecosystem, including the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, a blockchain platform that enables fast and low-cost transactions. Part 4. Tether, USDT. Tether is a type of cryptocurrency known as a stablecoin, which is pegged to the value of a fiat currency, such as the US dollar. Each USDT token is backed by a reserve of real-world assets, providing stability and liquidity to the cryptocurrency market. Tether is widely used for trading and as a means of transferring value across different cryptocurrency exchanges due to its stable value compared to other cryptocurrencies. Part 5. Cardano ADA. Cardano ADA is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more secure and scalable infrastructure for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros. ADA, the native cryptocurrency of the Cardano platform, is used for transactions and to participate in the platform's governance and decision-making processes. Part 6. Solana, SOL. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform that aims to provide fast and scalable solutions for decentralized applications and crypto projects. Founded by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana uses a unique consensus mechanism called Proof of History, POH, to achieve high throughput and low latency. SOL, the native cryptocurrency of the Solana platform, is used for transactions, staking, and participating in the platform's ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, and projects. Part 7. XRP. XRP is a digital asset and cryptocurrency native to the XRP ledger, a decentralized blockchain platform developed by Ripple Labs. XRP is designed to facilitate fast and low-cost cross-border payments and remittances, making it a popular choice for banks and financial institutions. XRP transactions are processed and validated by a network of independent validators, providing security and reliability to the XRP ledger. Part 8. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is a blockchain platform that aims to enable interoperability between different blockchains and networks. Founded by Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Polkadot uses a unique relay chain architecture to connect multiple blockchains into a single network. DOT, the native cryptocurrency of the Polkadot platform, is used for governance, staking, and bonding within the Polkadot ecosystem. Part 9. Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that started as a joke but has since gained a massive following and community. Based on the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog, Dogecoin was created in 2013 by software engineers Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer. Despite its lighthearted origins, Dogecoin has been embraced by a passionate community and has been used for charitable causes, tipping, and even as a form of payment. Part 10. USD Coin, USDC. USD Coin is a type of cryptocurrency known as a stablecoin, which is pegged to the value of the US dollar. Each USDC token is backed by a reserve of US dollars held in custody by regulated financial institutions, providing stability and transparency to the cryptocurrency market. USDC is widely used for trading, lending, and other financial activities within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, offering users a reliable and secure digital currency alternative to traditional fiat currencies.